A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everybody. Are you fine? I hope you are fine wherever you are. Okay, in this good opportunity, our group will share and we're gonna talking about skimming. But before we are going to the main explanation, let me introduce myself first. My name is Andika Esafaisa, and our group consists 4 persons. Those are myself, second Nurul Mu'zizah, third Irfani Rahadatul Aisy, and the last Desti Desti Anjing Desti siapa yang
I'm Irfani Rahadatul and I will explain about skimming. What is skimming? Skimming is a form of rapid reading for finding the general idea or gist of a passage or a book. In your daily and academic life, you probably skim many things, such as movie reviews, newspaper articles, and passages and websites that might be useful for a research paper. Skimming questions. When you skim, you have a general question in mind, something you need or want to know about the text, such as: first, what is the general meaning? Second, does this agree with what I already know about this subject? Third, what is the writer's opinion? And the last, will this information be useful to me? Your eyes should move very quickly as you skim and should focus only on the words or sentences that will answer your questions. And the next material will be explained by Nurul.
Okay, I'm Nurul Mu'zizah and I will explain the next material. When you skimming, you should pay attention to some things as follows. The first, don't read everything but try to skip the text. It means if you think that the text is not too important, you may try to skip to the next text. The second, read the first and last sentences of paragraphs. It means you may find the important information from the first and the last sentences of paragraphs. The third, read the introduction and the summary. And the last, read a few examples until you understand the concepts they are meant to illustrate. The next is the way how to skim. There are several ways to skim. The first, you should read the title, and the second, you should read the subtitle or introduction, and then read the first sentences of each paragraph. Then notice any pictures, charts, or graphics if there is one, and then the last, read the summary or last paragraph if there is one. That's all from me. The next material will be explained by Mbak Desti. For Mbak Desti, time is yours.
Skimming movie reviews. Movie reviews in newspapers, magazine, or on the web usually provide information and the reviewer's opinion about the movie. To get a sense of whether or not you would like to see a movie, you do not have to read the review all the way through. You can skim it. How to skim a movie review. The first thing, you have to read quickly. Skimming is the activity that we need to read quickly to know what is the text about and the topic that we read. And then the second is, focus on the important word. In this case, we talk about movie review. So you have to pay attention to words such as the title of the movie, the topic, the mood of the movie, what makes the movie good, and the other. Usually, you can find the important word on the opening and the end of the text. And then the last thing is listing some questions. Same as before, listing a questions can make us easier to skimming the movie review, because by listing questions, we can narrow down the topic and get to the important things that we need.
Skimming is especially useful when you need to do research. Since it allows you to look quickly through a lot of material to get a general idea of the content and to decide if it is relevant for your purpose. Okay, my friends, I think it is enough for our explanation today, and I hope you will understand what we are talking about. Thanks for your attention and good luck in our life. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.